Welcome to Best Productly.
Ten Best Plasma Cutter New Model 2021. We are going to check out top 10 best plasma cutter in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this plasma cutter, you can check out the link down in the description and comments section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
Plasma Cutter Pilot Arc 50 Amp 110-220V Flaring FL550D Non-Touch A Half Clean Cut Max 16mm IGBT High Frequency Inverter Plasma Cutting Machine. Non-Touch FL550 cuts rough painted rusty surfaces efficiently but produces minimal slag. CUT without touching the metal. Better cutting quality and longer consumable life. Breaker recommendation 50A on 110V 30A on 220V. Cutting ability 10 to 50 ADC output. A half ideal clean cut and 3/5 maximum severance cut on 220 volts. 10 to 35 ADC output. 1/3 ideal clean cut and 2/5 maximum severance cut on 110 volts. Work with the non-hazardous compressed air to cut stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, cast iron and chrome. Advanced IGBT inverter. Save energy and noiseless. High cutting speed, cutting smoothly. The conversion line is easy to transfer from input 110V to 220V dual frequency, 110-120V, 220-240V, 50-60 Hz. Air pressure 60 to 70 psi recommended. Safe design, built-in overheat over voltage protection. It is under voltage protection. It is not only can be suitable for businesses and D users, but also fully accommodating the demands of professional operators. Warranty assurance. We are a manufacturer with over 10 years' experience of professionals producing the plasma cutter machines. 3 years warranty. Please add to cart and take it without hesitation.
Top 9.
Hobart 500,564 Air Force 12-side plasma cutter with built-in air compressor. 120V built-in air compressor cuts faster than oxy-fuel. Smaller heat affected zone for less warping. No gas pressure settings for flame tuning needed. More precise cut, thinner curve, less slag to clean up.
Top 8.
Amico Cut 50HF 50 Amp Non-Touch Pilot Arc Plasma Cutter Pro 95-260V Wide Voltage 3/5 in. Clean Cut Cutting Machine. Cut 50HF incorporates the most advanced IGBT inverter technology and non-touch pilot arc cutting processes, resulting in excellent arc stability. The cutting effect is very ideal and can finish the work effortlessly and quickly, regardless if the material is very rough, rusty, greasy, dirty, spray painted, etc. The lightweight model design makes the machine very convenient to carry anywhere. CUT 50HF can achieve perfect cutting, and the strength of its components makes it a reliable work tool for professionals or individuals. Can cut up to 4/5 inches stainless steel, alloy steel, low carbon steel, copper, iron, pig iron, cast iron, aluminum alloy, aluminum and other conductive metals, resulting in straight cuts, angles, holes, curves, notches, slots, circles, V-grooves, and many others in minutes. CUT 50HF is an intelligent power supply system. The automatic selection function.
Check out the description for more information and latest price.
Top 7.
APC 70HF Professional 70 Amp Non-Touch Pilot Arc Plasma Cutter 1.2-inch clean cut 80% duty cycle 90V to 300V wide voltage cutting machine. APC 70HF incorporates the most advanced IGBT inverter technology and non-touch pilot arc cutting processes, resulting in excellent arc stability. The cutting effect is very ideal and can finish the work effortlessly and quickly, regardless if the material is very rough, rusty, greasy, dirty, spray painted, etc. The lightweight model design makes the machine very convenient to carry anywhere. APC70HF can achieve perfect cutting, and the strength of its components makes it a reliable work tool for professionals or individuals. Can cut up to 1.2 inches stainless steel, alloy steel, low carbon steel, copper, iron, pig iron, cast iron, aluminum alloy, aluminum and other conductive metals, resulting in straight cuts, angles, holes, curves, notches, slots, circles, V-grooves, and many others in minutes. APC70HF is an intelligent power supply system. The automatic selection function.
Top 6.
Plasma cutter non-touch 50 amp Reboot CUT50DL, a half clean cut pilot arc 110V 220V IGBT inverter air plasma cutting machine, dual high frequency for copper alloy mild steel aluminum O-Grov duty cycle automatic 110 220V AC dual voltage 60% at 58, 100% at 48 duty cycle pilot arc air plasma cutter with high frequency INVERTER, no compressor inside. 30A breaker suggested for 220V, 50A breaker suggested for 110V O-Grov cutting thickness on 220V carbon steel, max rated clean cut thickness, a half, 12 mm. Max severance thickness, 3/5, 15 mm, under 110V clean cut thickness 3/8, 9 mm, output current 35A. O-Grov cutting material stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, cast iron and chrome, can cut with non-touch. We offer 30-day 100% satisfaction or money-back guarantee and 1-year limited warranty. O-Grov voltage transfer conversion line, easy transfer from 110V to 220V home use, air pressure 60 to 70 psi. O-Grov packing list 1x 13 feet AG60 plasma cutter torch 1x earth clamp 6.56 feet cable 1x hose 6.5 feet 1x air pressure valve 1x conversion line, no compressor included.
Top 5.
Lotos LTP 5000D 50 amp non-touch pilot arc plasma cutter, dual voltage 110V 220V, a half-inch clean cut, brown, non-touch pilot arc plasma cutter. Efficiently cuts though rough, painted, and rusty surfaces and produces minimal slag. Pilot arc technology allows you to cut without touching the tip to the metal. Better cutting quality and longer consumable life. Safe and at low cost. Compact plasma cutter has a handle for portability and uses non-hazardous compressed air to cut stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, and aluminum. The compatible consumable sets for this brown color LTP 5000D plasma cutter are PCS22 or PCS33. Please search Lotos PCS22 or Lotos PCS33, not compatible with Lotos PCON40 or PCON90 consumable sets or any other third-part consumable set, output and performance. 10 to 50 a DC output, a half ideal clean cut and 3/4 maximum severance cut under 220-240 volts 10 to 35 ADC output, 1/3 ideal clean cut and 2/5 maximum severance cut under 110-120 volts suitable cutting for stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, aluminum, etc. Uses non-hazardous compressed air to cut, safe and at low cost. Setup within 1 min. The pre-installed NPT 1/4 Industry Type D plug and air filter regulator allows you to quick connect to your air compressor by using the stand coupler existing on your air compressor. The whole machine can be set up quickly within 1 min. PAPST Advanced Cooling System. Ensure the plasma cutter have a stable and durable high performance. Rated output, volts. 100, dual voltage input. Automatic dual voltage dual frequency, 110-120 volts 220-240 volts 50-60 Hz.
Top 4.
PRIMEWELD CUT60 amp non-touch pilot arc PT60 torch plasma cutter 110V 220V dual voltage 3-year warranty CUT60 pilot arc 3-year warranty 7-day per week support in USA PT60 blowback cutting torch with Eurocentral connection blowback start technology pilot arc 60% duty cycle at 60 amps 110-220 with adapter continuous pilot arc enables you to cut expanded, rusted, painted metals.
Top 3.
2021 SuperUltra 206C 200 amp Big Stick 50 amp plasma cutter multi-process combo welder dual voltage 110V 220V MOSFET based inverter technology lightweight and portable DC TIG allows fine repairs on stainless steel, chrome moly steel 200 amp TIG 160 amp stick 50 amp plasma cutter multi-process welder HF plasma cutting with pilot arc function a half on DC TIG 3/4 cut on plasma and dual voltage 110V 220V.
Top 2.
2021 PowerPlasma 82i80 Amp CNC compatible plasma cutter limited time offer comes with blowback IP 80 plasma torch IGBT Infineon modules inverter technology 80 amp inverter type cutter at 60% duty cycle, 5-year, parts and labor ideal, for regularly cutting a maximum 1 maximum cut, for quality at 10 to 12 IPM, steel, 1 1/4.
Top 1.
Plasma cutter 50 amp 110V 220V a half clean cut max 16mm IGBT high frequency inverter plasma cutting machine for car frame carbon steel stainless steel thin copper aluminum cutting ability automatic 110 220V ACT DC dual voltage 10 to 50 ADC output 12mm ideal clean cut and 3/5 15mm maximum severance cut on 220V 10 to 40 ADC output 1/3 8mm ideal clean cut and 2/5 10mm maximum severance cut on 110V cutting material compact plasma cutter has a handle for portability and uses non-hazardous compressed air to cut stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, cast iron and chrome. Breaker recommendation 50A on 110V 30A on 220V input voltage AC/DC dual voltage input automatic dual voltage dual frequency 110 120V 220 240V 5060Hz. Air pressure 60 to 70 psi suggested. Warranty assurance we are a manufacturer with over 10 years' experience of professionals producing the plasma cutter machines 3 years warranty. Please add to cart and take it without hesitation.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all of the links in the description. You can check out the link for the latest price. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.